Yeah, hallelujah. So I welcome you all to my channel. I'm Crypto Lord. You can call me Arbitrage Lord. Yeah, so today I'm here to do exchange to exchange using the crypto signal bot. Yeah, so one of the most difficult thing about exchange to exchange is the signal or the opportunity. How will you know that this particular coin is doing well and this particular coin is lower at this exchange and higher on this exchange? You see, so you need to know all that. Yeah, you need to know all that. Yeah. So currently, I did a scan on the boat, and the boat told me to what? Told me to use MBP USDT. So I'm using MEX MEXC and XT. MEXC and XT. So you can see that on the XT, this MBP USDT. At times you get the signal, but there are some things that you have to know before you initiate a trade, or you run out at loss. Don't don't see arbitrage to be very simple like that. It's not just simple like that. We have a way of buying and selling it and things that you have to look at before you even initiate a trade. So don't think that it's very simple like that. Yeah. So you can see that over here is 2083 and over here is what 2101, right? So I'll buy it over here. So if I'm buying 100 worth of MBP, I'm getting 4,800. 4,800. So I come here, 4,800 point 7 point 76 point 76 point 76. So if I'm using $100 to trade, I'm getting 0.8 as profit. So that's what I was saying in my previous videos, is that I'm very tired. When you spot opportunities like this, all you need is what? Capital. All you need is what? Capital. So imagine if someone has $500 to trade. $500 to trade. I'll be getting 24,003 for 24,003. So 24,003 point 84. So in every trade, I'm earning 4.3 USDT as what? Capital. And they have already deducted their fees from it. So I'm earning 4.3 USDT as capital. And you have to what? Finish with your checks before you initiate the trade. Don't just jump straight to the trade. We don't do that straight. There are a lot of things that you have to consider before you do a trade. We don't just go straight to do a trade. We don't do that. Yeah. So when you spot opportunities with just small price intervals, all you need to do is what? Just make good use of it. Just what? Make good use of it. So if I'm trading with $1,000, I'll be getting 48,007. 48. You see, so in this trade, I'm in 8.6 USDT. You see, and one thing about arbitrage is that you always have to be fast, because the price keep on going and coming. You see, so and one thing about arbitrage that I always say that arbitrage is very easy comparing to forex trading and crypto trading, because over here, if I buy this MBP at this rate, there's no way I will sell it below this rate, unless I'm very foolish. That I'll buy this one at high and sell it at lower. No, I always have to what buy it lower and sell it high in order to what to make profit. You see that thing? Yeah. So this one is very the risk is very low comparing to forex trading and the crypto trading. Yeah. So this one is very cool. Yeah. So if you need someone to mentor you, I'm there to mentor you. And if you need a signal board too, you can chat me. Yeah, I have my channel links in my description, in my bio. Join and chat me, and I'll put you through. Yeah, the signal board is just $60, and we'll set the signal board for you and show you how to use it. And that's it. Yeah. So this is all for today. I'm Crypto Lord, and I'm out.